Hey YouTubers, this is Epic Liz XXX18. Something fucking epic just happened. Yay! Wolfie the Wolf Girl's freaking refrigerator just fucking came. Okay? Hold on, I'll show you. I was sitting down making my other video about my fucking epic dream I had, and Wolfie the Wolf Girl goes, Liz, you'll never believe this, but my fucking fridge just came. And I was like, where? I look. Ow.
No one's gonna see that.
That's why I'm trying to adjust it, dude. Oh, it's right there. It's all like white and goopy. And
I'll just make out an outline in the video editor. Don't touch it!
there it is! Lick it! No! Give me a freaking paper towel, dude. That's gross. Give me a paper towel. It's all over my finger.
See, I'll show you what I was doing. Okay. Move out of it. Ow! Okay.
Lollipop, lollipop, oh lolly, 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 lollipop. Doo doo doo.
Okay. For example, alright, this is what I was doing. I was trying to figure out what I was in the fridge, and usually when I ponder, I do this. Usually I do this when I ponder what I'm gonna get before I open it. And then when I open it,
Freaking jizz in my pants.
where is it? Oh yeah, this flew out.
Dude, I'm gonna smell like freaking vegetables. I go to school on Tuesday and everyone's mainly cold. Be like, dude, why do you smell like vegetables? Long story short, Alex freaking jerked off her fridge. She was all like, and it fell on the floor. That's fucking gross.
You'll do the same thing to that dude. What's his name?
Don't say it out loud, Jeff. Oh yes. Oh, by the way, YouTubers, if you like weird, perverted, nasty teenage girls videos, then subscribe to me and Wolfie the Wolf Girl.
Tired.
We are perverted teens. And,
I literally almost fell.
yeah. Oh, did we mention that our best friend is?
Oh, which one? Cool.
Joey!
Blonde Wolf 2. The
Alright, let's do
The
this
Blonde
again,
Wolf.
Our best friend.
Which is technically my brother.
Our brother from another mother is
The Blonde Wolf 2.
oh yeah, the original Joey. Yeah. We should probably remake this. No.
The rawer, the better.
The raw. I thought raw meant I love you and dinosaur.
No, raw as in W-A.
Oh.
No, as in R-A-W.
Raw. The raw. Trolls.
Nipple.
Holy fucking trees with dicks, Batman. And that's all for today, folks. Bye, YouTube.
Ha ha, dingly.